Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be sharing Zara new collection, their spring collection. I will be sharing lookbook with you, different way that you can style it. And if this is the first time you are coming across my channel, you are very welcome. My name is Zara. Guys, the first number I will be styling is this amazing gorgeous blazer. I just love this blazer. I think it looks very nice and elegant. It's something that you can style up, you can style down. I will be styling it with something that look alike but not exactly, because that's the way I just say it. I think it's spring is just a way to play with color. It's a way to catch fun, because if you are not playing color with spring, when are you going to do it? I just decided to play with color so that I can see the fit, the way I can really use this blazer. I think this blazer is very lovely because I've been styling with different items, but at the same time I like to keep it very simple the way I'm styling it. Personally, I will be styling with this rose pants. I think both of them together, although they are two different type of rose, but I just love, that is what I love about the fact that they are two different type of rose. This type of number you can add white basic tee cropped or even white cami. It's something that you can dress up, you can dress down. Maybe you want to dress it down, but at the same time you still want to look bougie. You can add a white sneakers, a white button-down shirt with a white bag. You are ready to go. I think these two type of number, they are very elegant and tasteful. Although the color is very similar, it look alike, but they are not exactly. I just love this number. I think it's a way to play with this color. But this year, this spring is experimenting colored. Although you can take it to your style, so I decided to take it to my style. I think these two numbers together, they are very lovely and elegant. Personally, I will be styling it with is either nude or neutral shoe. I just love the effort. I think it take it to the next level. I love the elegance of these two numbers together. Depends on your body type. You are the one that is going to decide whether you are styling with crop or t-shirt or body. Just name it. At this number, I said it's ageless and timeless, and it's very elegant and chic. Guys, the other number I will be styling, talking about color. Wow, what I love about these jeans, I just love the fit, the way it look on my body. Wow, I said this jeans is made for my body. It's made for my body type. If you have my body type, I will say go for this jeans. It's very lovely, it's chic, it's elegant. I think it's very lovely and elegant. I decided to add something different to it. We are in spring, we are playing with color. Why not? Look at this combo together. So let me know in comment below, what do you think? Adding white t-shirt, white body or white cami. You can also decide to style it down with white sneakers, or if you want to style it up with a white pair of shoe. Just look at this combo together. It's very elegant and tasteful. I don't know if you can see the details of this blazer. It have this silver finish. This blazer is amazing. I said these two numbers together, I said Zara, well done. It's spring, and this size of the jeans is size 8. Is something that you have interest for, and the size of the blazer is L. I just love these two numbers together. I think it's very elegant and chic. It's a way to play with color, but without going all over the place, because I'm not really a colored person, but I love adding an inch of color to my wardrobe. Because this number here, you have this white, blue, navy blue, and this color here, so it's something that you can really play with. You can take it down, you can bring it down with white shoe or even with nude shoe. It will look very elegant and chic. I say these two combined together, they are very elegant. Just look at the elegance together. It's something colorful, but at the same time it's very chic and tasteful. You can't go wrong with this type of number. Both of them together, they even look like a brand that is more expensive than Zara. So let me know in comment below, what do you think about these two numbers together. I think this color is very sophisticated and elegant. I just love the details. I think it's something that will take you to the next level. Just elevate your spring colored outfit with a pair of jeans, lovely blazer. You are ready to go. A purple pencil skirt. This number here is very elasticated, so you can go to your true size. Personally, I take it in Zara. Have this funny way to give number LM, so that is the number I pick. I don't know if you can see the length. This skirt is very comfortable and it's classic at the same time, because it's something that you can style down, you can style up. I love those items that I can play with. You can also add a black jumper, a black sneakers with a big bag. To go to grocery store, you are ready. And the fact that it's very elasticated, it's very comfortable, so it's not restrictive at all. Although I have intention to take it to the next level, to style it up, because yeah, we are not playing at all. We are taking Zara outfit to business. I don't know if you can see. I tried to add this purple blazer from Zara to it. I don't know if you can see the details of this blazer. This blazer is amazing, and this blazer is those blazer you can wear as a dress. I don't know if you can see the length. It's up to my knee. This blazer is something that you can wear to different destinations. So I decided to add this skirt on it. Maybe I will just add a basic white tee or cropped, just name it. Or even brown body with brown shoe and bag. This purple together, I think this is spring is very elegant and chic. Look at this number. It's this color is rich, so that we all will be rich on money and in life. This color is very rich. I just love both of them together. The elegant, the fact that you look very bossy, because this blazer is very chic, it's very super elegant with something that is a little bit casual. Both of them together I think is very lovely. Let me know in the comment below what you think and your favorite color. If you are somebody that use color, I decided to go for those color, this color, but at the same time it's not all over the place, because I don't know if you can see there is no floral, there is no funny things. Although I love floral, but I decided to take, since I'm playing with color, I decided to go for those classic items so that I can take it a little bit easy. Just look at this number. You can add any nude, any brand, any white shoe you have at home, you are ready to go. It's very lovely. Talking about color, you can't go wrong with white denim. I have this paper bag white denim jeans that I'm be wearing non-stop. I just love the fit. Is this type of jeans is made for my body type. It's very lovely. And for size reference, this one is size 6. Normally I'm size 8 or size 10, but I decided to size down in this jeans when I pick it because it's very oversized and it looks very lovely, elegant and tasteful on me. I think that is something that is very important. If you are somebody like my shape, you have like my shape, I would say go for this type of jeans. You can't go wrong. You have this elasticate on the waist side. It's amazing. And I decided to style it up to give us something a little bit bougie. Wow, look at this combo together. I just love this blazer because this blazer have this shiny effect. It's very chic and bougie. Both of them together, you can style it to different you can go to different destination with this number. It's ageless, it's timeless, it's something that you can style to office, business, church, marriage, just name it. This blazer, I will say this must have. Out of the blazer I bought in this their spring collection, I will say this number here is my favorite. The reason I love it is just because I have the opportunity to style it with different items. It's not picking at all. I think it's something that you take in consideration, because something that you can wear once or two is nice, but something that you can wear all over again, that every time you wear it, you will look like a new outfit. Because this one here, when you wear it with blue jeans, with blue bag, is another outfit. White jeans, white bag is another outfit, or even with red. If you have red jeans, they still have red on this blazer, or if you have anything black jeans, total black outfit with this combo together, you are ready to go. I think both of them is very lovely. So since I'm playing with color, I decided to add white jeans and a colorful blazer. I think this number here, you can't go wrong. Zara. I decided to pick this number, this elasticated leggings. If you are searching for a super high waist leggings, I will say go for this number because it's very super high waist and it's lovely. Now personally, I love styling it up because it's something that you can really take to the next level. I have this oversized Zara white blazer. Wow, just look at the length. It's very oversized. It's amazing. They said to add both of them together because picking something that is very casual and this something very elegant, both of them together. I don't know if you can see, let me show you in a minute the details of the graphic t-shirt from Zara I will be adding. Just look at. So let me know in comment below why I picked this t-shirt. This t-shirt, when I saw it on the shop, I think I bought it Christmas time. I know that I need it in my wardrobe because it have this gray black effect and it's a white t-shirt. I think this kind of number you can't go wrong. So let me know in comment below what you think about this 3 combo. I think it's something that I can play with. Give me the opportunity to style it with black or white shoe or black bag, or can I decide to pick a white shoe, a black bag, or a black shoe or a white bag because it's a total white and black outfit. I think you can't go wrong. It's a classic, especially for spring season. You can't go wrong with total white and black outfit. Let me know what you think with this combo. And as I said, if you are searching for a super high waist leggings, I will say go for this number. It's very super high waist. Although I decided to add this really oversized blazer and the t-shirt, and I size up when I pick it so that I can just give this oversized effect. So I want it to look a little bit bougie, a little bit expensive, a little bit chic. So I decided to add this oversized blazer. So let me know what you think about this number. I think white and black is a classic. It's something that you cannot go wrong, and it always looks nice in every skin tone. So let me know what you think about this combo. Talking about spring appropriate, talking about color, you can't go wrong with brown, with neutral. It's very classic and lovely. I think this number here, you can't go wrong. I just decided to go for this one here because it have these details. It's very particular. I just love the skirt. I just love the fact that it have a lot that is going on. It's just a way to elevate your simple skirt. I think this number here is well made. It's very lovely. I will say if you have the opportunity to pick it size up because the waistline is a little bit funny. Then I decided to pick this number here in my wardrobe. Both of them together, I think they look very nice. Although they are different brands, I purposely took this one that is a little bit different, but I just love the effect that it gives. It gives this bougie, a little bit expensive, and I add this Zara brown cropped under it. I think three of them, there are three type of brand. But I think it's a way to play with color because maybe if you are somebody that does not love purple, green, blue, I tend to take it easy in this number here just to show you the way you can still play using the same color. This color is total brand outfit, but it's different type of brand. So it's a way to play with color if you are somebody that you don't really love colored items. You can pick different type of blue, different type of green. It's just a way, just a technique, or different type of white, or you can also add white, nude, neutral together so that it's still the same color palette, but at the same time you are still playing with color. So you decide to do this combo and let me know what you think about this combo because I love it. Take into consideration it's something that make you look very rich, very bougie, although they are the same color but they look different at the same time. The next items I will be sharing in this gray leggings. Wow, it's very beautiful. I think personally I decided to style it up in this number here. I decided to add this combo together. I decided to take it to the next level. Just look at this oversized gray blazer. I think Zara did a great job in this blazer because it have this bougie effect. It's very oversized. You can decide to style it with different things. Although I have this Zara cami under it. I don't know if you can see it, black cami. You can also decide to add black body, white cami, just depend. I just decided to style both of them together. I think they look very lovely. Or even with a nude cropped, I think it will look very nice. I will take it into consideration when I'm styling it. I think these two numbers together, you can't go wrong with this cami. Under it, this cami have details of golden buttons in my previous haul. I think this number here you can't go wrong. So I decided to share those colors that is colorful but at the same time it's just a way to play with color without going all over the place. So let me know what you think about this spring collection, this colorful collection. What do you think about it? I decided to prove it to you that it's not too all over the place because it depends on the pieces you are picking, depends on items you are picking. You can really take it to the next level. Personally, it's just my way to play with color. Although both of them they are gray, but they are different type of gray. So it's just a way to play with color. And let me know in comment below what do you think about Zara collection. This their spring collection. Pick different type of color. We have rose, blue, white, brown and gray. So let me know in comment below which type of color, which color is your favorite, and if you have any items, any type of video from Zara or you want me to do, leave me a comment below. I will take it into consideration because personally I love Zara, as you all know. If you are somebody that have been seeing my channel, I just love their items because I think Zara items, if you really know how to style it, you can take it to the next level. You can style it up, you can style it, then you can play with it. And especially their blazer, I think it's just a way to add elegance to your wardrobe without doing too much. I think that is one of those things you take in consideration. Guys, I really enjoy doing this styling video. I really enjoy playing with all these items with this color. I think it's something that just elevates my outfits, my collection. We just take it to the next level because all these items I bought it, I want to wear them again. I think this is just an opportunity for me to use them all over again. So guys, if you have any videos you want me to do, leave me a comment below. I really enjoy doing this video, and don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And you are very welcome back to my channel. My name is Owa.